Young, there are many sensors on it. What is it for?
This is a substation alarm system. Here are many sensors on it, such as temperature, humidity, gas sensors, and so on. After detecting them, it will check with the host computer through RS485.
What kind of chip can be used to achieve such a powerful function?
It is made by using MG3 to F103 chip. It is M3 core. The highest main frequency is 72 MHz, so it can achieve such a powerful function.
If there is a need for CAN, what kind of products can Megalvin provide?
Based on MG3 to F103, there is another new chip, MG3 to F157, which has CAN interface.
Megalvin M3 series are comprehensive. No matter you have CAN requirement or not, please feel free to contact us.